if you've never danced before, you don't have to have experience.
Right.
You just gotta have people and have some fun.
One thing that you were telling me is that people just who better than these guys?
Tony and Val, I mean, learning from the pros, right? Well, you guys, I'm so glad you brought this to town. This is so much fun. Tivoli Village, dance with me, dance with all of us, and come check it out. It's a lot of fun.
Come check us out tonight, actually. We're going to have a grand opening.
I want to come.
Boy, I'm working out now. I'm like sweating. I'm hot.
All right, dance with me on 3 now. All right, 1, 2, 3. Dance with me!
Growing up, and the family values that we instill into all of our staff and all of our studios. We're a family, and I know that term gets used loosely, but we really mean it. For us, when you walk through that door, you become